Standard 5th, Subject English. One thing at a time. Hello students, how are you? We are fine, teacher. Well, today we are going to learn a good habit through a poem. It is about how to improve our work or task. For example, I give a task or an activity to all. After 1 week, I will try to find out if everybody has completed the task. But someone may complete it very nicely. Some will do the same task differently. Someone will get A grade. Others will get B. And someone will get C. These all grades depend upon quality of your work. Good grade can be achieved by proper concentration. That means you have to do one work at a time. Don't do 2 or more jobs together. This is what the poet tells us in this poem titled as One Thing at a Time. Now listen this poem carefully. Work while you work. Play while you play. To be useful and happy. That is the way. All that you do, do with your might. Things done by halves are never done right. One thing at a time, and that done well, is a very good rule, as many can tell. Moments should never be trifled away, so work while you work and play while you play. Now we will see the meaning of each paragraph. In first stanza, the poet says, when you are working, you have to do only work. When you are playing, you have to only play. This will make you happy. In second stanza, the poet says, you do all the things with proper concentration. If you do them in halves, you can't do them in a proper way. In third stanza, the poet says, do one work at a time, then only you can do it well. This is a good rule which is told by many people. In last stanza, the poet says, time is very important and valuable thing. You should not waste your time. So always concentrate on what you are doing. Work wholeheartedly when you are working. Play wholeheartedly when you are playing. So children, how was the poem? It is very nice.